Feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, you're not alone. But what if the key to a calmer, healthier life is already within you? 1. Benefits of meditation. Meditation isn't just for monks or spiritual gurus. It's a practice that anyone can do anywhere at any time. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment, just yourself and a few quiet moments. So, why meditate? Let's explore the incredible benefits of meditation and how it can transform your mind and body. 2. Reducing stress and anxiety. Stress is something we all experience. But did you know that meditation is one of the most effective ways to manage it? Meditation helps calm the mind by slowing down racing thoughts and allowing you to focus on the present moment. It teaches you how to let go of worries and embrace a sense of peace. Research shows that just a few minutes of meditation a day can lower the stress hormone cortisol, helping you feel more relaxed and in control. 3. Improving focus and concentration. Ever feel like your mind is all over the place? Meditation can help with that too. When you meditate, you train your brain to stay focused on one thing, like your breath or a soothing word. This practice strengthens your ability to concentrate, making it easier to stay focused at work, in school, or even while doing daily tasks. 4. Enhancing emotional well-being. Meditation is a powerful tool for improving your mood and emotional health. It helps you become more aware of your feelings and teaches you how to respond to them with kindness and patience. Feeling overwhelmed or frustrated? Take a moment to breathe deeply and let those emotions pass. Over time, meditation can help you feel more balanced and positive. 5. Boosting physical health. Did you know that meditation isn't just good for your mind? It benefits your body too. Regular meditation can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, strengthen the immune system. By calming your nervous system, meditation helps your body function more efficiently, promoting overall health and well-being. 6. Cultivating self-awareness and gratitude. Meditation also helps you understand yourself better. It creates a space where you can reflect on your thoughts, actions, and goals without judgment. It's a great way to practice gratitude, too. Taking a few moments to appreciate the good in your life can shift your perspective and increase your happiness. 7. Getting started with meditation. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Don't worry. It's easier than you think. Here's a simple beginner meditation you can try right now. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably with your back straight, hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Focus on your breath as it flows in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Start with just 2 to 5 minutes a day. You'll be amazed at how quickly you'll notice the benefits. Meditation is a gift you can give yourself, a way to nurture your mind, body, and soul. It's not about perfection. It's about showing up, being present, and finding peace in the chaos of life.